Hurelahair. This is the box that they sent it to me in. Also, this wig is freshly washed, and this is how it looks with like pretty minimal product in it. I didn't shampoo wash it, I co-washed it, so I only used conditioner, so there is like a little bit of product in it still. I just want to show you guys the construction. There's 4 clips at the top. I don't really like this clip in the back, I'm not gonna lie. And there is 3 wig combs, 2 on the side, 1 at the bottom, and then there's this adjustable strap. I put it on the tightest setting. It still fits a little bit loose, but it's snug enough to where I feel comfortable. Then I just took the side combs and just popped them right there to make it snug. And then I tuck my braids in the back, make sure it's nice and flat. And then I took the 3rd clip right underneath. Okay, so I'm gonna put product, and I already had my part. So